Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Apologies about that. My phone decided that it was out of storage, even though it still says that there's like 20 GB left. And I don't understand how a 30-minute or 20-minute video can take that much up, but apologies about that. But as I was saying, some people might like to go in order, but as you can see here, it doesn't necessarily go in order because it goes 3031, 3032, 3033, 3041. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 is missing. So, we've 34, 35, 36, 37 is missing. 38 and 39 is missing. So, yeah, what I'm going to do is as these become dormant, I will then, use these stickers to kit all this up so that we've got a spare tray one. Now, the thing that I was going to show Pauline Jill, so that's that all kitted up and ready to go. The thing that I was going to show Pauline Jill, there's some new crisps, and this one I wasn't really sure on getting because there's a pigs in blanket, a Christmas pudding, and this one, and I can't get hold of the Christmas pudding one, but these are called Walker's Festive Flavours, and they're called Festive Turkey Flavour 5-packs, so buttered apparently. So yeah, I thought I'll get them early, and they're limited edition. I think, in this day and age, you have to try them before Christmas. I mean, obviously they're Christmas crisps, but I think you need to try them. But I think the Christmas pudding ones could be a little bit on the rank side. I have ordered them on Amazon, but they're saying that they won't come until the 24th because I literally cannot find them in any shop. So even Amazon are struggling to get them because it's saying that it won't be sent till the 24th. So yeah, and some of the reviews said that they were not nice. So yeah, I can't wait to try them. Personally, I think they're just going to taste like normal, roast chicken crisps, them yellow bag ones that you can get. But maybe they're replacing these, because they've just took out the Worcester sauce, haven't they? And sad news, Nestle has axed the Caramac bar. Yeah, I can't believe it. They've decided after 64 years that they're going to discontinue it. But you never know, they may bring it back. I wish they'd bring back that Dream Bar, the Cadbury Dream Bar. But anyway, I just wanted to show that to Pauline Jill because I know you'll go off and probably get them. Let me know what you think. I think the pigs in blankets just taste normal, like normal bacon rashers. Because you start off and then as you get deeper into the pack, it sort of hits the sausage flavour. But yeah, but anyway, I got them. So keep an eye on the shops. They are limited edition, and yeah, we can have good old munch and some crisps. So yes. So just for America as well, in America they call these chips. We call them chip. In America, they call these chips, but we call them crisps over here. A chip in our country is like a frozen potato chip thing. So yeah, we call these crisps, whereas you guys call them chips, which, again, America has so much better wording for things. Like Prime Minister, President. It's so much nicer saying President. But anyway, enough blabbering on, that's that. So next kit up will be next Friday. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos that I do. And we'll see you again soon for another kit up next Friday. And that's the end of the week. Woohoo! Take care, guys. Bye-bye.